Hey y'all, we back.
We back. We are at Juicy Crawfish off of Post Oak. We eating some chicken right now. Miss Tariana forgot her
Tripod.
no.
Oh, my boiled eggs. Oh yeah. I forgot my boiled eggs to order. I forgot to order my boiled eggs. But we eating in the car.
But I did offer one of mine. So don't even think. But this hoe must want her own boiled egg.
I didn't want to give her one. Even though we got hella food. But our food in here, we just want to try to wing until I go get my eggs.
And y'all, it is so hot in Houston. Too.
Y'all might hear the air in some of the video because it got hot fast. You better turn your sound up. No, we don't talk that loud.
I'm about to say, I feel like we do talk loud. I'll talk loud. I feel like a song from me.
Let me slow my voice deep down. That was my deep.
Girl. I just got me 2 drinks, bitch. Gonna be thirsty.
We got free refills, but I don't know if they're gonna let us go in and do it because COVID.
It's in the gardens right there. Just gonna park at the gas station. They don't got no love. Shade at McDonald's. I ain't doing that. Here he got the pen. Girl, supposed to come
Camera,
out.
no, if you zoom out a little. Okay, I'm about to go. And then we bought 4 pens from the dollar store. Don't worry, y'all. We gonna hook y'all up. We gonna make us a little shindig thing. It's gonna go right here. We can't expose the secret yet,
But it is high because we got 2 events covered up. Yeah, it ain't too bad. Once we get on that shade, it's gonna be on. But
I'm trying to in the shade right now.
oh yeah, you know, shade
No,
up
we
to the
not.
side.
But
I'm gonna go get a
I
pop.
ain't gonna get my eggs. And we'll get back to the party.
Girl, still taking us along this time. Oh shit. This
I don't feel like going in. I'm a lazy. You know, I'm having the hardest time. I had asked for another ranch too. They didn't give me my extra ranch.
They did it.
I don't really know ranch. Yeah, sure. I don't
We the
really
same
like
person.
ranch that ain't.
We'll say that just to get it compared. Because, yeah, I know. That's how I feel. If it ain't no good ranch, you know. I don't know. I feel like I need to go ahead and get my boiled eggs out. You need to get them out, but they do. Is that lime?
I had got some lime too. I mean some lemon for you to try it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I already like it like that, but I had I asked for like 40 times for it too. Got a little crab leg, got a little shrimp, got a little crawfish, got a little potato corn.
I'm glad I got this little drink because, girl, I was going to be a little thirsty.
It's hot on my leg. I told you we needed something to put it on.
You did? It's hot too. I'm pretty sure y'all already saw what I got. I really don't be drinking stuff like this no more, but listen. Today is the day. Today is the day. I gotta like the pepper. I would have preferred a little pig, which is the same thing, but not.
I'm saying put one hole in my bag so it don't get nasty. Oh, never mind. That's from the crab. But yeah, she got a Dr. Pepper. I got a Dr. Pepper.
Keep the menu. Yo, this is what we're eating today. Should we?
Yeah. You put people on. We put people on. Okay.
It might be backwards. I don't know. Juicy crawfish off of South Post Oak. Oh, and we can have the air on those so we don't have to be too high. You feel that?
I feel it. I feel that.
Because at first we had the blackie. Okay. Okay. Period. It's gonna be my little cleanup bag. It's gonna be my little base bag. The inside of the paper, because that's how I'm gonna put all of my waste. Yeah.
We'll show y'all our setup once we get done. We really could just get to all of this right now.
We want y'all to see the struggle.
Because it is really at this point. Oh, I basically got extra sauce too. Because the eggs
So on my sleeves up because it ain't no. Okay. Let me get the air right.
She ain't never had lemon with her seafood boil, y'all. So I had got some lemon.
Lime.
Give her lime.
Lime.
But I prefer lemon. But
I should have got me an extra corn. I love corn. That's my favorite.
I want an extra corn and potato, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks like a lot of food.
It's enough. I'll be having to watch y'all because I already spilled this. We really did not want the crawfish, but it's not that much, so I'm glad.
Oh, my egg. I ate a sausage down count.
I just rubbed this all up. Where did that go?
Under my ship. My hand's dirty.
Let me keep barely fit down. These ones are open?
Let me see.
Yeah, it is. All right. I just rubbed this all on the side of my thumb.
Okay, see, I can't wait on her.
Okay, it's going down.
It's going down. It's going down. But she just ate sausage. It's not too hot. She was like, our extra spicy is extra spicy. We got that, right?
Yeah. And we should have known.
Because we almost got mild.
That's just how it always is. But load is extra hot, don't get that extra hot, because they mean what they say.
I forgot to show y'all, but I can't move my phone.
Oh. Well, it ugly.
Oh well. I don't really care. At this point, I'm trying to eat.
It ain't that much sauce in here, but it's...
Yeah, it's so much.
No, it's a good... No.
You want my
We
sauce?
got the same amount.
Oh, never mind. Why did they give you a... Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. I think they gave you a log of sausage. Dish the crawfish.
It hurt my teeth a little bit, baby. The potato, I ain't got time for it.
Oh, it's hard. Good thing we didn't get
girl.
What you thinking of?
Yeah, let me put my little bag over here. I feel like you in your bag over there.
In my car? I am.
Period.
My sauce is all the way over there, and there's so much stuff on it. I don't even know how to eat something.
Okay.
Most ate is fine.
It ain't enough garlic and stuff in here, I can say that. Like,
I feel like it's not enough butter and salt. Just butter and salt.
okay.
Cause it's like it ain't.
See,
When
this
you
piece,
need more salt, all the flavors don't come out.
this piece got a little garlic on it, but the other ones don't.
Look at this crawfish. Ooh.
I know that's right.
I ain't get
So
your
that's your
card.
phone. I'm like, why is it saying creative here after everything?
Yeah, follow me on that Instagram. You know how to do. You gotta use the lemon with either the shrimp or the crab or both.
Okay.
I wish when we get our little setup going, cause like they can't even see the food right now. It's so lame.
You can see it going in our mouth, can't you? Okay.
I think if I move it at an angle right here.
Run me a little line. Let me see what I can do. You think if I move it at an angle?
Currently trying to move it at an angle, but I need to get a napkin first, and I'm struggling to get the napkin out. So, life is just amazing.
Okay.
Give it that touch that it be needed.
You do. What is that, baby?
Oh, just go ahead and show you. Okay. Oh, okay. Don't move too fast.
What is pussy talk English?
Oh, I don't think you can say that on YouTube. Almost.
Not gonna fall.
Yeah. It's comfortable right there, but you can't see. You can see her. We'll do a little bit like this. See, I can see some kind of food. I ain't got my nails on, all the stuff is ugly. I ain't gonna stay like this for long.
So y'all, we did not want no crawfish. I definitely did not want
I wasn't really feeling crawfish either.
but the lady wouldn't let us.
Substitute.
Right. So guess what we doing? Eating the crawfish.
Mm-hmm.
Settling for what we did not want.
Mm-hmm.
But we ain't too mad. We ain't too mad, baby.
We ain't just upset, but we just upset.
Right.
You know. I really
So how you feeling about Miss Judy Crawfish right now?
She's good. She's better than anything else we would have got right now.
Right.
I'm gonna make her cute for y'all. So y'all
She
can
see. She good.
Yeah, how you feel about it?
I feel like she good. I had her before.
Oh, was it
Once
the same
before.
as the last time or better? Cause this thing slapping. She like juicy crab a lot, and I like juicy crab.
They kind of remind me of Juicy Crab.
They do, but they don't have that taste.
No.
So,
It ain't the exact same.
I mean, like they don't got that crab taste.
But you ain't even tasted your crab, baby.
Yeah.
Feels good.
I'm eating it right now. It's good.
Period.
But juicy crab be having this taste with their crab to me. Not every time, but it's like every time I go, something different ain't good. Like one time it was that, another time it was kind of like too salty, and then one time I think I had it was real good. I've been there like 4 or 5 times though.
I got 2 little hard ass potatoes too, girl. I'm trying to eat them, but y'all, they made the potatoes a little extra crunchy.
They do give you 2 potatoes. Wow. They had put 1. They want you to order more.
Period. I ain't doing that.
This is really good.
Yeah, I feel like I was getting through my shit and then I flipped my
Dang, you not.
crab oven. It's a lot. I feel like
I still got a lot too.
They give you a lot of sausage, y'all.
A lot. I'm not really a big sausage fan. But
No.
look phenomenal.
I like sausage now. Don't play with me.
We know.
I like sausage.
You know, you like the sausage.
Cause y'all see me up here eat my little sausage, baby. Okay, the garlic is built up in one spot. Let me not do them like that. They got some garlic.
It's low key a lot.
So you guys, we gonna be honest
I use hand sanitizer before I ate.
and just say that y'all off. Oh, y'all closed. Baby, they off. They check me out, girl. They off. Let me say we closed. She gonna tell me, I'm just saying what I'm saying, but she gonna tell me have a happy 4th, girl. We ain't celebrating.
We is not celebrating. We would have did this.
I
This is
just
just a
look-
Saturday
I
event
just
right
look
here.
back at her like, I ain't say thank you or you too, cause bitch, don't try me.
We wasn't supposed to be buying anything today. Spending money.
Well,
Because they going to assume that it's because it's the 4th.
yeah, cause I came and bought me a little
Loud pack. No, that's fine. What is this?
a Dr.
Seafood
Pep. I know,
special?
I'm talking about the
Oh,
stuff.
the gas station?
I got a little Dr. Pep. A little candy. I mean, so y'all closed or did somebody like replace your shit for good?
Right. What happened? What changed? You seen a lot of people come out?
No, like both the girls that was behind the counter just rolled out. In the car together. They about to go fuck it up for the 4th. Talking about us.
Exactly. They was getting off work. They feeling lit. They like, okay, let's go do what it do.
I'm just cussing y'all. I'm sorry.
I ain't even hear nothing.
I'm saying, F it up. On my phone. Oh, girl, they still open.
Little nose running. Real cute.
So still open, they just switch shifts. Okay, I'm over here real messy.
Satisfied.
Excuse me, girl.
I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied. I'm getting messy with it. So,
God dang it.
what's up, cat daddy? Don't be looking all over here. Okay, this is kinda good. This is kinda good. I don't like the way that light looking on me. I look. Ball and biscuit. Try it again. Now, what the hell you got going on right there? Because it was kind of hard to get my phone from down there. Is it still on here? I'm trying to see if I'm really doing make a difference. That egg was too good. I
So
should
you
have
gonna put
got
it that
2
way?
orders of eggs, but I wouldn't have wanted 4 eggs.
Let me see.
Girl, I ate that egg too.
This girl just
She
looking.
She got to get to the second bite. You talking about me?
Ain't helping me get to my napkin or nothing. Just looking. Shit all down my face. Watch
She's
out
struggling
who-
hard. I don't know.
Watch out who you call your friend. You look at these days.
Oh, babe, I'm getting open there.
Look at me, girl.
Just started.
It's a mess.
I know, that's how I was doing.
That
it.
egg is just not easy to eat.
Yeah, the sun is not like
It's coming down now. That's fine. fish.
This is good. I have not tried my crab.
What you eating
Girl, everything but the crab I'm about to try right now. Yum. Too good.
The egg is to
Oh.
die for.
I'm about to try this mother-loving
This is how
crab.
dirty you get when you eat the egg.
I know. Girl, I have sauce all over that egg, baby. Stop playing with the egg.
And don't say nothing like, I don't know that called nasty. No.
No. Is
It's
b.loves
really
the one
good.
that started the eggs, girl? I think she is. Eggs on everything, girl.
Yeah. I think I agree. We a little nasty, but
I really feel like me and Terry was the first people to start watching b.loves, honestly.
to be honest, I swear she probably had like 20,000 followers.
We was watching her before she was even doing Seafood Boils. Our first video that we watched to b.loves was a
What
spicy
video?
noodle mukbang.
Oh,
Remember with the
yeah.
eggs, girl? With the egg.
Not
It was
the
so
egg,
nasty,
with
sweet.
the with the noodles.
She had some fried eggs. They weren't boiled. They're like fried eggs with the 2-time spicy noodles, period. And she was going in. I don't think that was the first video, but
Period.
that was.
Okay, she don't want to open. That's cool.
Like, I don't have a hard time opening crabs, but I'm trying not to make no damn eggs.
Yeah.
I'm tired. I had to flip over.
I agree.
Now, see, I don't like eating crabs in the car because it's just messy.
Yeah, this is getting. It's nothing anywhere but on us. And the
Right.
steering wheel.
It is on steroids.
I got some fries for tonight.
I got some to watching this one.
Okay, that was bad.
Okay, but I can say they crabs is cracking real good. Not very big, though.
Y'all see the color of that sauce on my lip? That's a good sauce.
Just that splash.
It's like butter based, but
You got a little. Okay, I'm about to try the lime with a lot of.
this crawfish big in the mug. I'm not trying to make a mess.
Okay, I got a lot of potatoes. I don't know what they thought they was going in my shit, bitch.
I only got like 2.
They gave me a lot of potato, y'all. What the fuck? Did I add to each potato? No, I don't think so.
Extra hard potato? No.
Extra.
Yeah, they are hard.
What is this? Really?
It's messing with my nose more than it's actually messing with, like, burning my mouth.
Yeah, because it's definitely not burning my mouth that much, but
But this nose, she running.
it's running.
I'm following her down the street right now. Girl can eat clean. If she try.
Huh?
I can eat clean when I try. You can really have my sausage.
Girl, I'm barely eating it. Well, I am eating my sausage, but
We're gonna have it later. She was like, you think we should get foil? Take it home, whatever we don't eat. I'm like, smart, real smart. Real smart.
can't get the waste.
No, this lime don't hit like that lemon be hitting.
Right. I figured it didn't, but it's still good. I like it. Okay, my mouth is starting to burn a little bit. But I think it's because like I'm picking up seasoning.
Probably starting to bite back. My stomach gonna be hurting after this. I ain't ate like this. All this butter and stuff. In a while.
Been a minute, been a while.
Still hot in some areas.
I feel like They did they thing.
They did. We ain't really got much to say right now. We just eating.
Yeah, like we ain't mad at it.
And when we tell y'all we searched high and low for
And
this,
like,
we was all over Houston finding us some seafood.
and this is my brother's spot, so thank you, John.
Thank you.
Even though we didn't ask you, it just popped in my head. I was like, dang, my brother loved this spot.
And she waited until we was in the car for an hour and a half before
To
she
say
said that.
something. Yeah, period. Stupid. We tried to go. We gonna go.
It
and
all
tell
worked
y'all.
out, though.
We wanted to go to Lotus. Okay, we gonna tell y'all what we wanted to
Go
do
ahead,
and tried to
tell
do
the
and
whole
ended
story.
up doing. We wanted to go to Miss Lotus.
Happy, thinking about it.
Lit.
Still wouldn't have hit like this did.
We was
I
planning.
mean, this didn't hit like that would have.
Oh no, for sure not. But we was planning which location we was gonna go to. We was gonna drive out of our way or that. Close for the 4th. Okay, cool. We pissed. So we just
live it.
right. We tired of all the places that we got by our crib. So we try to go to this facility called Flavor Bar
Facility.
and Grill. And we get there and they were unresponsive. Like, period. They was unresponsive.
Pick up the phone, set it down. That thing just going off.
Didn't want the money. So you know what we did? Thought of another plan.
But why I'm using my sausage to pick up my stuff to put on my egg?
A sausage with an egg probably good in my tray too. Period. Let me tell y'all something, baby. If you ain't had that egg, period, just like
You need it.
baby, you need that egg.
I'm so full though. I'm about done as it is. I don't know what I was eating because it looked like I still got a whole bunch of stuff in here.
We're growing a stroke, child.
I ate that
Did
crawfish. That's what I
myself,
ate.
You
Cause
ate a lot, a
cause
few
that-
pieces of it?
No, I ate a lot of crawfish because that's not gonna be good later.
I wasn't even thinking.
My crab gonna be good. My Lowe's crab was so good warmed up last
Baby,
time.
that egg.
That egg is so good.
Yeah, I'm about done, y'all. But that was a damn good bowl, baby. Do not get to plan
Kind of want a donut.
with juicy crawfish.
That shit was right there.
They open? Mm.
I'm just gonna leave that there. until
We didn't even
it's-
touch the chicken. I just thought about that.
We ate one piece.
Full as hell.
Dang.
You got a little sauce dripping.
I know. I said I was gonna leave it there till this last piece. But I didn't know it was going down there like that. She trifling.
Oh.
Me, by the way.
Yeah, that was
I'm
some. That was some good shit. I would say that, baby. And I haven't ate good like that in a week.
Same.
And we always eat good, baby. One thing about us,
We gonna find that food, and that's on.
and that food gonna find us. You heard me?
This girl didn't eat nothing.
Girl, please.
I ate way more than
Oh,
you.
I gotta eat my corn, girl. I gotta eat it right now.
I didn't
Okay.
eat nothing. I got 5 shrimps left.
I forgot about the corn, bitch. I gotta eat that right now.
You can have the sausage. You wanna take the sausage? Can't eat that. Me no like eat sausage.
Girl, just give it here if you're gonna waste it. If
I'm
that's what
waste
you're
it.
saying.
On some nasty germaphobe stuff right now. I might cut this part out because we wasn't like doing it. We both got COVID right now. That's some dirty bitch shit. I understand.
You don't.
I don't know if I got it. Still, I can't smell all the way yet. And Nick still tested positive, so I'm probably still positive. Who knows? Dang, I should have shown them how much I had before that sausage left, because now it's like you ate a lot. I mean, you didn't eat a lot. But you still didn't eat a lot.
That was hard for me to buy it.
They wrong for all of this sausage on this plate.
Bitch.
I've been ate more than those. I hope I can edit out all this cussing. If not, y'all know when we start getting
That's
paid,
what I'm
we
like.
didn't get paid from this one.
I got some little wipes in there.
I'm just making the biggest mess of my life. Not in your car, but on me.
This crab is pretty good, y'all.
That's still your favorite.
I meant to say juice crawfish.
I think they're the same place, right? It's just the crawfish one.
It definitely seemed like the
They
same
taste
place.
so similar. This one's just kind of better.
The menu even looked the same, low key.
It does.
Low-key.
True.
It's the same place.
So, you know, it's good. This girl got wiped. Oh. So should I edit this whole video and make it shorter, or should I just
Yeah.
post it this long?
Just cut out the shit you want.
Not like we was talking about in bed.
Except the COVID part.
Oh yeah.
And I know I cussed a few times. My boy over there on that bullshit.
He coming his ass over here too. I hope you
We in here
ready.
eating balls and shit.
He was like, give me some. Y'all can't do everything.
Yeah. How you be able to eat the ball, bitch?
But y'all can't give me $1.
I know you spent about $45 on that shit, bitch. But he already yelling upset. Shit.
Yeah, we are not making fun of the homeless.
We're not.
I mean, it sounds like it is, but we're not. We're not. If he come over here, we'll give him some. It's just funny that we just goofy. And don't be around there talking that shit like you don't never be making jokes with your people. Because it's the line if you say you're perfect all the time.
Don't play with us. Okay, because you know people on YouTube be tripping.
That's on them.
They talk about homeless
Share this video.
people. They talk about homeless people. They don't care. It's like nobody
We do care. We're gonna give him something, but don't wanna. He look like he on some shit. We ain't trying to.
Yeah, he over there yelling.
Yeah.
My boy said. Somebody got pissed too.
So please.
I'm
Make
getting
like
real
me.
clean over here. Quarantine clean. Okay. Hey.
Now it's time for a visiting that. Visiting that.
Cleaning under my little nail.
God. You got on him? Okay. Yeah, I need something sweet. I wish it was like a boba. I would eat that too.
Damn, what was she think about that?
Okay, and this is the end of the seafood boil. It was good.
It was too good.
We played y'all because we not including the other thing.
We went to
Marble slab. We not including marble slab in this
yeah.
video. Y'all gonna see in the next video where we end it up. But thanks y'all. Go ahead, say what you gotta say. She trying to end it already.
Follow me on Instagram, b.Tati. Follow me on Twitter, TatiMarie_. And yeah,
I'll link my stuff below because I shy.
yeah, I'm gonna make me an OnlyFans.
She lying. Her mama gonna see this.
Follow me on
Anywho.
OnlyFans.
Anywho.
Holla at me, bitch.